Hi everybody, this is Jurek and welcome to my real estate investing adventures. How's your day going today? Is life a beach? Because I'm on a beach. What beach am I on? Waikiki Beach. Aloha. I want to tell you something. When I was in corporate America, there were days that I wanted to find my own beach. Do you want to find your own beach? Do you want to get away? Do you want to fly away? We all feel that sometimes. But are you doing something in your life to make a difference? Are you doing something to change your situation? I meet people all over the country when I do consulting for real estate, and there's a lot of people out there trying to make their dreams a reality. You can do it, but you need focus. I often say laser line focus. Focus on exactly what you want and go after it. Your dreams can be a reality if you put in the time, the energy, the effort, you can make it happen. And I want to tell you something. Every single one of you out there has faced a challenge in life. Something you thought you wouldn't overcome, but guess what? You did. And you became stronger, you became smarter, you gained that wisdom. So real estate can be the same thing for you if you put in the time and the effort. There might be hard days, there might be days you think you can't do it, there might be days other people say you can't do it. But I'm telling you, you can do it because I've seen so many other people do it. So go make your dreams a reality. Take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye.